I could not find a single person selling this product handmade. At the very least, almost no one is selling it. And this product is extremely popular. So if you can make this product homemade and offer some kind of customization to it, I know it will sell very well. Profit margin for it is huge. It's extremely fast and easy to make. And you don't need any expensive equipment or electric tools or anything like that to build it. Be sure to watch the whole video because I'm going to show you how to build it, but also how few people are actually selling it. And this is all you need to build it. And all the products I'm using will be in the description. If you have a table saw, you can cut your own pieces, but if you don't, you can buy these at the store already cut. First thing to do is get your backing board. Now just cut this square right here. Alright, now I got the piece cut out. Now just take your wood strips and sand them down. And now use some black spray paint and spray paint this piece black. And now just let it dry. Now take your super glue and glue the wood strips to the backing board. Alright, it's done. I'll show you what this does in a second, but first make sure to like and subscribe. Also, you can paint this or stain it in whatever color you want. You can offer multiple options so people can customize it the way they want. Also, you can make this whatever size you want, just don't make it too big if you're planning on shipping it. So now let me show you what this does. So the good thing about these is a lot of times people will buy like 50 or 100 of them because they're doing the entire wall, and then they'll just nail them to the wall and they'll make an accent wall with them. And now I'm going to break down the product cost and how much money you can make selling these. So to build one of these, it costs about 50 cents. If you make them bigger, it'll cost about $1 to $2 to build. If you sell a pack of 20 of these for $250, your profit is around $200 after shipping. I have not seen anyone do this type of video yet for this project, so if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more.